Coaches and service providers. If you're charging 5,000, 10,000 or 15,000 for your services or coaching program, then this video is for you. One of the major reasons why online businesses struggles to survive is not because they lack skills, but because they charge too little. I mean, think about it. You are investing a lot of time in creating content. You are jumping from one sales call to another. Then you deliver to your clients. Now, by the end of the day or the end of the month, you have barely made any profits to reinvest in your business in order to grow your business. And eventually, you burn out. Am I right? That's exactly why many coaches and service providers stay stuck at the same level for years without even building a proper sustainable business. Well, here's the good news. The problem isn't your skill. The problem isn't the product that you're selling. The problem is you don't know how to position yourself as an authority, as a premium service provider or a coach. Now, in this video, I am going to show you 5 mistakes that you are doing that is stopping you to charge premium prices from your clients, and more importantly, you would also get to know how to solve those mistakes. So let's get started with the first mistake. You are too much associated with a yes. You want to hear a yes from your client. The moment you tell them the offer, you want them to say, yes Vishesh, I'm willing to work with you. No, it's not like that. Whenever you come with a desperate energy in front of your client on a sales call, they would smell it like crazy and they would understand this person can negotiate. And just stop this video and tell me if this has happened with you or not in the comments. If yes, then I know I have been there where you are right now. I'm telling you, the moment you feel desperate about something, people can smell it and they can renegotiate about everything every single time. Come with a mindset that you don't care. Think like you have 10 clients right now. They're paying me a certain amount of money every single month. I don't have to work for money right now. I want to work because I like this person or I like this cause to work upon. That sort of a mindset. If you don't have that mindset, you can't close people for higher ticket price points. Mistake number 2. You speak a lot on the call and you feel like you're giving too much value. And if I'm giving value, that person should buy from me. It's not like that. Your authority is being built by asking the right set of questions on right time and by speaking less. Remember this thing. This is a principle I have learned by doing thousands of calls by myself. Whomsoever is going to speak less is going to close the person in front of them. So if you are speaking the most and the client is speaking less, then he or she would close you for her reason that why they shouldn't buy this thing right now. And if they are speaking the most and you're speaking less, then you would be able to convince them pretty easily, or they would convince themselves that they should buy from you rather than anybody else. Now, if you are a person they are comfortable speaking with, then you are the person they would want to buy from. And now you can charge whatever you want, whatever the price point you are willing to charge from them. Mistake number 3. And it arises because of mistake number 1 and 2. Now, you don't ask questions. You don't ask deeper questions to your client. You don't care sometimes. You only care कि मेरे को sales आने वाली है नहीं आने वाली, right? It happens. It's okay. If you don't care about the client, you don't care about their problems, then why the hell they are going to pay you? As I told you, if you are desperate to get a yes, you won't be getting a yes. If you get a yes, they would negotiate and lower your price. What I want to say is care about them. Care about the problem they are into. For example, I ask this question, what kind of problem you are into right now? Okay, let's say this particular problem that you're talking about, it sticks with you for next 6 months. What would happen? Oh, you would quit your business. Wow, big deal. And how long you have been doing this thing? Oh, past 2 years. And now you're thinking of quitting a business if this problem stays for next 6 months. That means you must be very desperate to get out of this problem, right? They would definitely say yes, because there are very few people who even care about understanding where they are right now. They only care about, okay, webinar काम नहीं कर रहा, our system works like this and that, and I'll do this thing. ओके आपको आपके रिलेशनशिप में इशू है, आई एम द बेस्ट लाइफ कोच, आई एम द बेस्ट रिलेशनशिप कोच, आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट. इट डजंट वर्क्स लाइक दिस. What you need to do, you need to understand them, dig deeper, ask the right question on the right time, make them feel कि ये particular problem उनके लिए दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी problem है, or else they won't pay you any money, let alone paying you premium charges. So make sure, have right set of question, dig deeper, and you need to understand, speak less, right, ask right question on the right time. Boom, you would be able to close clients for higher ticket. Mistake number 4, you think that selling sessions or selling just the deliverables on your services is going to help you to charge more. It's not like that. People who are going to pay you more, they want results, or else they won't pay you. Simple. So what you need to do, you need to tell them the results that you can get out of your efforts. आप जो भी चीज़ करने वाले हो, अगर आपको 12 सेशंस लगेंगे आपके कोचिंग प्रोग्राम में, क्या करने में लगेंगे, क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आएगा, क्या वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उतना बड़ा है उनके लिए या नहीं. एंड इफ यू आर अ सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, देन अगर आप 10 कंटेंट पोस्ट कर रहे हो या 30 वीडियो एडिट करके दे रहे हो, व्हाट वुड हैपन, वो 30 वीडियोस में क्या उन्हें 1 मिलियन व्यूज आने वाले हैं? अगर वो 1 मिलियन व्यूज आएंगे तो उन्हें क्या मिलेगा, क्या उनका बिजनेस बढ़ेगा, क्या उनको स्पॉन्सरशिप्स मिलेंगी, व्हाट वुड हैपन? टेल देम दैट, और एल्स you can't charge premium. Simple. So you need to understand whatever the efforts you are going to put, either it's sessions, either it's like the amount of deliverables that you are providing, what is the end result that you can tell them that this would happen. Show them the result rather than what are the efforts you are doing. Remember this thing, जितने भी ये high net worth वाले लोग हैं ना, they have one simple thing, they don't care about how much efforts you have made, they only care about what kind of results you can get. Here's the final mistake that you are doing. You don't understand why people buy from you. This is point A and this is point B. Point A is where they are right now. What is their current situation? And point B is where they really want to reach. For example, our client are online coaches. They generate 50,000 rupees a month and they want to reach to 2 lakh rupees a month consistently. Now there is a journey between that. Now people would pay you for that very journey. Now remember this thing, there are 3 major factors. First is money, second is time, and third is convenience. People pay for all 3 of it. If your offer helps them to make more money or save more money, they will pay you higher. If you can save their time, if you can lesser their time to reach from point A to point B, then they would pay you higher amount. And third is convenience. They have to do nothing. 100% में से सिर्फ 10% उन्हें काम करना है, 80%, 90% has to be done by you. They are going to pay for you because you are giving them the convenience. People pay for convenience like every single day. They pay 500 rupees to Zomato in order to get 300 rupees worth of product. 200 rupees extra just to get a product from point A to point B. So why not to you? So I hope you understood. These 3 pointers will help you to charge higher. And now go tweak your offer, make them feel like either you are saving their money or making more money, either you are helping them to reach their desired result in less amount of time, or else you are giving them the convenience they really want. So in the comments, let me know if this particular video helped you out or not. Make sure to subscribe this channel because we are going to bring a ton of content like this in front of you. So see you soon.